Whew, well, what a day. So I left Salem late this morning after having breakfast and saying goodbye to Uncle Tony. And yeah, got on the road and headed out to the coast. Beautiful, beautiful ride. But today just turned into one of those days where everything went wrong. Well, not everything. But yeah, I had to ride without my right contact lens because it's, I don't know, just irritating my eyes. So I had to throw that away. Then as soon as I got on the road, it was just windy as hell, just getting battered along the coast. So that was no fun. So I decided to call it an early day and come and find this campsite. And so yeah, I stopped, bought some wine, crackers to go with all the cheese I bought back in Tillamook, and pulled over at a store and got some Coca-Cola. Then thought I tied it all onto my bike properly, and I pulled out a mile down the road so I could get a phone call out. And when I got off the bike to make the phone call, noticed the bag was gone. So jumped back on the bike, went back to the store, couldn't see it anywhere along the side of the road, so I lost all of that stuff, had to buy it again. And yeah, so that was interesting. But this is my campsite. It's right next to a river. The river is down there somewhere. I haven't actually gone down yet, but I'll see how this first glass of wine goes down and see if I feel like going for a walk. But this is my campsite. Nothing around, which is good. It is Memorial Day weekend, so people may turn up later, but I hope not. I really hope not. And oh yeah, so if you head over here to get down to the river, there's like a steep path going down. So I might chuck my boots on and take one of these down in a minute. I'm not sure. I'll see how this wine goes first. But yeah. Oh, and the wine, the second bottle of wine that I bought turns out to not be wine. It's some fizzy wine mixture, I don't know what. So yeah, just another one of those things. But at least I'm here. It's just after 4:30 and I can relax and just chill out and worry about getting back up that road tomorrow. The 2-mile road out here is gravel, and gravel doesn't bother me normally, but this gravel was something else. It was just pure rocks, big rocks. Had to sit on like 5 to 10 miles an hour. Had a couple of cars come up behind me and I let them overtake. But yeah, I mean, I made it. I'm used to riding on gravel, but it was just a lot harder, especially when it's really thick and loose. And so yeah, that'll be fun getting uphill on gravel tomorrow, but I'll worry about that then. Anyway, so this is my site. And yeah, if I end up going down there, I'll film it, of course. I might take my machete and chop a few things down, fix that path, make it a bit neater. I'm not doing too badly. I'm getting through the cheese slowly. It's a lot. That was the smallest one I could buy, unless I wanted to buy specially imported British cheese, which I already spent 10 years eating and paying a lot cheaper prices than what imported prices are. So this is the one that's local from the French cheese place back in Tillamook, and it's beautiful. It's really, really creamy. This is the wine, which is not actually wine. I have no idea what it is. I know it's 6%. I drink stronger beer, but look at that. You shake it, it's fizzy. Ugh. So I'm not happy about that, but the cheese is awesome. I'm getting there. This is my dinner. This is a pretty posh dinner. That's but it's better than 2-minute noodles. Alright, I've drunk enough of that vile wine stuff to get me ready for getting down this hill. Here we go. Jesus. God. Here's the river. So I don't know if you saw, some dude has just turned up in a camper with his dog. I think he's on his own, and he came down here to get water. I am not drinking water out of this. I've already been told not to drink water out of rivers or lakes or anything, no matter how clean it seems. I don't want to run the risk of getting giardia and shitting myself for 3 weeks. But yeah, so now my peace and serenity is kind of over, because now I have someone else camping right near me. Oh, fuck me, how am I going to get down there? Sliding on my ass. Whoa. Beautiful. Oh, how nice. This is lovely. Shame I can't put my tent up down here. Well, I suppose I could, but I don't want to leave all my stuff up there. Wow, this is cool. Maybe I can have a shower, bath in the morning. I bet it's cold as hell though. Oh. Oh. Alright. Now I've got to scale that. Good Lord. I feel like Tarzan. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Well, I'm going to turn the camera off now because I desperately need to pee, and I can no longer pee next to my tent anymore. See you later.